So I showed you guys how I sprayed the rod this color. It's dry now. So I took this old pinstripe and just custom it a bit. So it looks pretty awesome. I'm impressed. So yeah, you can take an old rod and make it nice again. You guys can see. And I'm going out tomorrow, so hopefully I'm gonna catch a fish. I don't know, something about, you know, doing more, doing your stuff over. I mean, like an old rod, make it new again. If you catch fish with it, and it's just more valuable. I don't know if you guys agree, but yeah, it's looking pretty good, pretty crazy. Yeah. Okay guys, obviously we need to seal the pinstripe off. So what I did was I took some of my wife's nail polish and just put it over. Doesn't look that smooth, but hey, I've done it myself, so I'm proud of what I've done. It's got a bit of a glitter in here, unfortunately. Let me show you in the sun. Yeah, it's very sparkly for the fish. Yeah, I love it. It's crazy. Okay guys, now it's just for the final touch. That's it guys. Yeah, old rod, I restored it. Looks pretty good, pretty awesome. I'm happy, I'm chuffed with myself. So yeah, thanks for watching Crazy for Fishing SA. My name is Johan. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. Okay, cheers guys.